Oh, the tons of rain.
Hey, Doc, what's in that bottle? It's just water, there's nothing else in there. So that's not any kind of narcotic, THC, anything like that. So it's going to test as water?
Yep.
You're positive?
Yep.
Why is it in the container?
I don't know.
Was it?
That's me.
So it's not yours? So you're not sure what it is, huh?
I know he said one.
Is that not the same odd people?
I guess so. I don't know.
You can videotape me now. I'm ready for my
There's no
pasta.
needles in here? Well, what happened to the needle you were using? Someone saw you, okay? Okay. Or him. Okay?
I know. I have to pair those things. I know.
Hello, darling.
Where's the needle? You know what I'm talking about. So when we find the junk in the car, it's not yours. Is that what you're saying? It must be hers? It's not going to be on that side of the car?
And here we go. So
Ooh, junkies.
4 or 5 needles.
Junkies.
Some cotton swabs.
Bad people. We're watching cops.
A spoon. Burned on the bottom here.
It's not like we don't see enough of that on our
We've
streets.
got a lighter. We've got a straw.
Hoodlums.
We've got a complete kit here for shooting heroin.
she has track marks on her arm. That's be someone indicative of using needles.
Duh.
Plus she's got a straw here that I'm sure will test